This is UPR part number 2002-01. It's our Pro Series lower control arm for 79 to 04 Mustangs. It's made of tubular Chrome Moly, TIG welded. It's made in America and carries a lifetime guarantee. The idea behind this race style control arm is that it uses a 3/4 inch rod end on the body side and the aluminum pass-through bushing on the axle side to completely get rid of any bind or any slop that you would have on the stock style rubber bushings or even some of the polyurethane bushing packages that are out there. By going metal to metal on the body side and the axle side, you get rid of all of that unwanted movement that causes wheel hop and traction issues. So this Pro Series arm is very high performance, high power capable. It's really intended for race cars, but you can drive it on the street. And it uses a stock location spring with the spring perch, and it's a direct bolt-in. This threaded end, it's really more for the bushing package and not for changing the length of the arm. The factory lower control arms are 17 5/8 from center to center, and we don't recommend changing your wheelbase. This is more just about getting rid of bind with that spherical ball that's in the rod end. But anyway, this control arm has 12mm hardware, like the 79 to 98 Mustangs do. If you get our 2002-01-99 control arm, it's this arm, but it has the 14mm hardware here for the 99 to 04 cars. So you can get yours at uprproducts.com or any UPR Products dealer.